Today we're at a property in Ascot where we started renovating the rear of this house in September last year. As most of these projects start, it's always with the kitchen, and this clients have lived here for a long time and this is their forever home, and they've always wanted to do a grand design. And they've put a lot of heart and soul and love, energy, money into the project. A very high specification, very well thought out between the architects and the clients and ourselves. There's some beautiful landscaping as well, which we've done. One of our partners who we work with quite closely is Elisi Kitchens in Sunninghill. They supplied and installed the bar, kitchen and the utility room, and they've done a fantastic job of that, and it's been sort of personalised for the client. The dining area going to the kitchen, it's a huge space. This whole area has got wet underfloor heating and large format tiles, and they continue all the way out to the patio. We have another fireplace and a seating area, and behind that a very grand kitchen island which has got some very special stone on there. They've gone for very high specification appliances, so we've got Wolf Sub-Zero appliances in the back there, which you just don't get better than that. You can see how the garden and the landscaping connects with the bar. I could see how it would be absolutely fantastic for entertaining. So again, we've got the large format 1200 by 1200 porcelain tiles with natural stone bull-nosed step edges, and then as you step down you've got Millboard limed oak decking, which has been professionally installed by the Luxuria team. Millboard is again like the Rolls-Royce of decking. We've been installing the product for years, but we're now in the process of becoming officially approved by them, so they'll be coming and inspecting our work. On this deck we've got a vinyl pergola. It's got electric opening louvers, LEDs, shutters on the sides. Credit goes to Bronwyn at Connected Architecture. She did the initial designs for the client. I'm over the moon with the project. I just think it looks fantastic. I really like what they've chosen. I love the end result. I think it's a great space. It's a great entertaining space. I think a lot of people would dream to have a space like this in their property.